so excited. I've been wanting to do this for so long. I've been talking to Zoe about it for months. Oh, it's finally here. I forgot my boots. Yeah, I definitely forgot them. Okay, I'll go on here. Yeah, hi, just like a day pass in a Kosciuszko. Alright. This idiot left his weatherproof jacket under the bed at home. So I've got this. So if it rains or snows, it's going to be bloody freezing. It's an 18k return walk from Charlotte's Pass to the summit. So it's a lot of time to get wet and cold. At least I got the boots, right? I just crossed a deer. I didn't know there was a deer here. It's already raining. It's not even at the car park yet. Oh dear. She's cold! There's heaps of snow though. I think I'm gonna grab the jacket and do the Thredbo option because A, it's freezing, it's raining, so I'll get wet and cold immediately. The snow is a lot thicker than I thought it would be, and the visibility is just absolutely garbage. Like you can see the fog rolling in now, and up on the path. Look at it now, just in the last, literally in the last maybe 3 minutes, it's rolled in like that, and you can't even see like, 5 meters in front of you. So yeah, look at it now. You can hardly see anything. And that's what they were saying yesterday. They're like, oh, the weather can change in like just in minutes. And then like if the storm hits, you've just got to bunker down and wait it out. And I'm like, I'm standing in the shop in my thongs and board shorts. Oh, when I went to hire these booties out, they're like, oh, what size hiking boots do you wear? It's like, I wear size 12 sneakers. And they sort of giggled and they're like, yeah, these should do. They'll be all right. Maybe take these too, which are like the snow plow, whatever they are, little grabby looking shoes. Anyway, yeah, it was kind of funny. Oh, I was like, oh, what's it like? What's the weather up at the top like? Is it pretty easy going? Like, is it an easy walk up? And they're like, oh, yeah, I mean, yeah, we had a lot of snow last week. There's been some warm weather and some rain. So the snow, yeah, I mean, there'll be parts that are okay and parts that aren't okay. And I'm like, so I should be right to walk up it? And they're like, yeah, no, you should. Yeah, if you've got the right gear. Oh my gosh. But I really want to do it. And yeah, it's like a 40-minute drive back home, half an hour drive back home, just to get the jacket. And then I got to drive half an hour out to Thredbo, pay $50 to get up on the chairlift, which takes you sort of halfway up the hill, and then you walk from there up to the summit. So yeah, I think I'll do that. Yeah, if there were more people up here walking with me, I'd feel a lot better about it, but I couldn't even tell you which way the track goes. So I think it's just stupid myself going up there. I just can't believe I forgot the jacket. Oh my gosh. Oh dear. I really don't know if I'll need these or not. They are bulky as hell, but maybe I'll just carry them just because I did pay the rent amount, so may as well. Hell yeah! Holy oh, I better pull this down, eh? That's my little I was like, there's no guardrail, but there is. I didn't know what to do. I've never been on one of these things before, so this is an experience. Met this Indian bloke, Umesh, who I'm gonna go up with today, which is cool. It's nice to meet someone who hasn't done it yet, but yeah, he's come down. He's been here for 3 weeks, and he's gonna do the summit with me. He tried to do it yesterday, and a storm rolled in on him. He went up at 3 p.m. and pretty much got lost. Ended up coming down at 1 a.m. in the morning. So stuff that. You. He's a couple carts back. Oh, this is very nice. Oh man, I'm so pumped, eh? Oh wow, I did not know that. Check this out. Did you know that with every 1,000 meters increase in altitude, UV levels increase by 10%? No wonder the dude sold me some sunscreen back there. Someone dropped their hat. It feels a bit like I'm cheating, to be honest. Yeah, I was gonna do 18k's return from Charlotte's Pass, and now I'm doing, it's still a 13k return from the top of this chairlift. Actually, it might even be longer because this is the short chairlift. There's normally a bigger one that runs up further, but that one's closed, so it's still going to be a decent little hike. But yeah, I mean, this is cool. I've never been on a chairlift, so check out these snowplow things. So cool. Oh man. Dried mango. I've had this in forever. That's so good. Damn. This is the scariest part of the whole thing, I reckon, for me. How pretty though. So Charlotte's Pass would come in from that direction over the top, so I'd imagine you join up somewhere over the top here and head on out to the summit, which is up there, I think, up there somewhere. Deer, 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 deer. Hey buddy! Just watching me go by. Oh, that's so cool. Little. Wow. We're puffed already, brother.
Yeah, actually I didn't sleep last night.
Didn't sleep last night? No, well, you were out till 1 a.m. last night, eh? I didn't sleep very much either, I was too excited. I'm getting warm. Really hot.
From there it will be okay.
Is it?
Yeah.
This is the steepest bit.
Yeah, this is.
Okay. That's
From
good.
there all normal road.
Yeah, cool.
An iron track is there.
You went directly up here?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Where are we then? Up there, I think. That looks cool, man. Brutal. 5.5 to go. It's not too far, is it? Oh. Haven't been on the snow in ages. Yeah.
The climate shows.
What's that? The climate change? Yeah. It's crazy. It's getting real dark up here too. Wow. Oh man, it's starting to get cold. Yeah, this is the lookout, Kosciuszko. We've still got to go up through there next. So these will come in handy. Oh, it's getting bloody cold, but it's good fun. I think got another 3 or 4k still to get up. So hopefully that storm holds off. Let's see. Oh, look at it now. Crazy. some visibility coming back. Can see a little bit again. Yay! We're not gonna get lost. This is so cool. I just love it. Almost time. Look at this, the snow's pretty thick up here still. You can see just up there how thick it is. It's still like good, oh god, half a metre or so.
You want to take one?
Oh, alright, I'll try. Getting close, brother.